Today we will be making aloo paratha. Aloo paratha is something that a lot of children like it and adults also like it. So this is how I make my style of aloo paratha. So it's divided to three parts. First we have to make the dough from atta flour. We will put some salt a bit and then make a dough. Then we have to boil the potatoes. I've taken 7 medium size of potatoes, boil them and mash them, and we have 1 onion chopped, finely chopped, and we have salt, and this is the chili, dry chili which I blended and made my own chili flakes, because sometimes when you get chili flakes they are very big. So you want it fine, so you can blender it to make it fine. And you need what we be using is coriander powder and ghee. So first we'll make the dough first. We'll add half teaspoon of salt. We'll push this aside first and make the dough. We'll just add water. Try to make the dough is a bit firm. If it's too soft, it's very hard to make the aloo paratha. We'll add a bit of ghee. Half teaspoon of ghee. So the first part of aloo paratha is ready, which is the dough. We already made the dough. So we'll put this aside and let it rest for 20 minutes. Now we will be making the second part, which is the potato. We have to add flavor to the potato. So we'll put 2 spoons of ghee. Here we will add in the onions. While waiting for the onion to be sauteed, so we are adding the chili flakes. So I'll add in 1 teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoon of chili flakes. Coriander powder, we'll put 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. We also will add in the salt. 1 teaspoon of salt. A bit extra. We have taken 7 medium potatoes and boiled them and mashed them. So this is 7 medium potatoes. So after these onions are cooked, we will put into the potatoes. So now we will let it cook first. Let the onion cook first. We don't want to overcook the onions. Okay, this is where we adding into the potatoes. mix well, and so that all the potato will get the spices, the onion, the coriander powder, so you will flavor the potatoes. So this is very important. So because when this is the stuffing for the aloo paratha, so the stuffing, if you make it tasty, your aloo paratha will be tasty. Okay. So we'll take a bit of flour, this much of flour. And then we'll make a round chapati for this. And then we'll put in the potato, 1 tablespoon. One and a half tablespoon of potato. The reason I put more potato because I want more potato flavor. So aloo paratha, if you put more potato, is much tastier. The only challenge is to make it as a paratha. Now we will make a paratha. It's very soft, so you have to roll it softly. So now we'll put it on the pan. The pan is hot now. So let it cook on one side before we turn. So it's already cooked one side. We'll put the ghee. When you add ghee, it'll make your aloo paratha very tasty. So ghee will add flavor to it. So now we'll put ghee on the other side of the and let it cook on the other side now. Now both sides have cooked. Do try this recipe. I think you will enjoy aloo paratha, and my younger son really loves aloo paratha. I'm sure your children will love it as well.